Devo the ambivert, the BS is cooked like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to the Locksmith Quarantine Challenge video by mi hermano Duane Jackson. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Duane Jackson. He partook in the quarantine challenge. He uploaded a song. He uploaded a video. You know what I'm saying? I rock with Duane heavy, man. You know what I'm saying? Big ups to Duane for accepting the quarantine challenge that Locksmith issued, man. You know what I mean? Locksmith issued that challenge days ago. He wanted artists all around the world to body that beat. You know what I mean? And people like Blindsight hopped on the beat. You know what I'm saying? People like Blindsight, April, and Duane hopped on the beat. You know what I'm saying? I rock with all three of them. You know what I'm saying? Uh, you know what I mean. April says she's not a YouTube. I mean, April says she's not a rapper or an artist, but she's a writer. You know what I mean. And I agree. She's deep. She's intelligent. You know what I mean. Her writing is. I rock with her writing heavy. Like she as a writer, she's top tier as a writer for sure. But yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, Duane and Blindsight as rappers, like they're top tier, and you know what I mean. That bro. They be going crazy, bro. They be going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But we gonna see what Duane talking about, man. Let's see what he coming with.
Do a dance like food for the soul, so relax and relapse when the truth unfolds, yeah. And when it unfolds, it gets deep. That's when I rose from my seat. That's when my rosary started.
Yeah, he rose from his seat for real.
When I do a dance like food for the soul, so relax and relapse when the truth unfolds.
Is that Einstein in the background? Looks like Einstein.
When I do a dance like food for the soul, so relax and relapse when the truth unfolds, yeah. And when it unfolds, it gets deep. That's when I rose from my seat. That's when my rosary started to glow and make heat. Shit, this was the opus I seen. I am no threat. I'm trying to open my dream. So Locksmith can throw me the key. Soon as it opens,
trying to open my dream. Locksmith throw me the key.
That's when my rosary started to glow and make heat. Shit, this was the opus I seen. I am no threat. I'm trying to open my dream. So Locksmith can throw me the key. Soon as it opens, I swear to God, no one competes. Cause I am what's chosen to be. Whoever said you was.
Yeah, he going in though. This flow, I rock with his flow. His rhyme scheme. That wordplay is fire though. Throw me the key.
Soon as it opens, I swear to God, no one competes. Cause I am what's chosen to be. Whoever said you was on, led you folks wrong. I am the martyr, the lessons of God. Your presence is off. You gotta go harder, or else you about to get left in your songs. I feel like headed.
This man got the mask on.
Whoever said you was on, led you folks wrong. I am the martyr.
Said whoever said you was on led you folks wrong. They gassed you up. You know what I mean? They gassed your head up like that. You know what I mean? They were yes man type of. You know what I mean? They was lying to you.
Whoever said you was on, led you folks wrong. I am the martyr, the lessons of God. Your presence is off. You gotta go harder, or else you about to get left in your songs. I feel like head of the dawns. I think my head is screwed on. I think I'm crazy. I think I'm set to withdraw. I think I'm set up to fall, but still I'm a win. Cause real niggas find us a way. Real niggas sign up to stay. These are the facts.
They said real ninjas sign up to stay. You know what I mean? They last. What Method Man said something on what is it on Y'all Been Warned on the Iron Flag album. He said like in the hook he said like fake thugs never last long. Can't wait till your fate gone. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's real, bro.
I think I'm set to withdraw. I think I'm set up to fall, but still I'm a win. Cause real niggas find us a way. Real niggas sign up to stay. These are the facts. Cause real ain't the time or a day. Real is the grind that you take. Cause this ain't a game, but somehow I'm playing to win. So I wonder what game that this is. It's gotta be one. I mean, everyone plays like a bitch, so it's gotta be tied to the way that they live. Like, shit, we just having some fun with this. Something like, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the Spotify link down below. Shout out to Locksmith for this.
Hey, for real, big ups to him, man. Big ups to Duane, bro, for participating in this challenge. Said the grind, you know what I mean? Ain't no game. You gotta put in that work, the diligence to succeed. Says,
real is the grind that you take, cause this ain't a game, but somehow I'm playing to win. So I wonder what game that this is. It's gotta be one. I mean, everyone plays like a bitch, so it's gotta be tied to the way that they live. Like, shit, we just having some fun with it. Something like, make sure you guys hit subscribe on, hit the Spotify link.
Yeah, Duane spitting though. He was spitting on that joint for sure. If y'all like that joint, comment, show him some love, subscribe, tell him Devo the Amberverse sent you, man. That's it for the reaction, man. Yo, yeah, man, I appreciate and love y'all, man. One love to the family of DTA, Elevation War 4, no GTA, adios, nos vemos, peace.